Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching me today. Yeah, the whole of this week I haven't done this video yet, and I'm like, let me cast off my envelopes. I'm trying to finish this challenge before the year end, then we're going to restart afresh everything. So welcome. If you are new here, thanks for joining, thanks for subscribing. Thank you so much for everybody watching my videos. I really appreciate it. So let me count the money, then we'll go ahead and cast off it quick. 1, 2, 3. That's 60. Another 20, 80. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's another 80. That's 160. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27. So 160, 187. Yes. So 187, that's what we are working with today. And today, let's go ahead. Push this a little so that you guys can see this. Let's go ahead and just jump in. So we are doing 61. We are doing 3 of them to 72. So that's what we are doing today. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. So 61 is going to be 6 plus 1, which is 7. That's why we are doing this challenge. If you've been following me, you know that's how we are doing it. Then I have 62, which is 6 plus 2 is gonna be $8. Then we have 63, which is 6 plus 3 is 9. So $9. Then we have 64, which is $10. 6 plus 4. Then we have 6 plus 5, which is $11. Then we have 6 plus 6, which is $12. Then we have 6 plus 7, which is 13. Then we have 6 plus 8, which is 14. Then we have 6 plus 9, which is $17. Did I say this was? No, which is $15. 6 plus 9, which is 15. Then we have 70. That one, instead of 7 plus 0 to be 7. No, I'm not doing that. I'm going to do the whole number, which is $70. Then we have 7 plus 1, which is $8. Then we have 7 plus 2, which is $9. I have $1 left, which is okay. Okay, so that's all for this one. And I'll go ahead and do this. Okay, so let me do the math to make sure my calculation was right. Okay, so this is how it looked like. I think I didn't cut. I think my amount wasn't counted right, if I'm not mistaken, but the math is 186. So which is, oh no, we did start from here. So let me do minus 6, 188. I think I got 182 or something. Okay, so that's all for this one. I think I didn't do mine. I didn't count the manual. That's why I have to use calculator. I got 180 here, and let me see. I think I didn't count the money very well, but I'm pretty sure that is the amount. And this is how it's looking today. And for next week and 2, I'm going to do these ones. Then we will be done for the end of the month. Then we're going to start a new one beginning of the year. For those of you who want to join, I have this book already on Etsy shop, and it's going for 30% off to the end of the year. So you can go grab one for Christmas gift, for birthday gift, for yourself, so that coming year you can start with me. So thanks for joining me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.